In today's video, I'll show you how to create conversational AI with ElevenLabs so you can build voice-powered experiences that interact naturally with users. If you're new to conversational AI, think of it as a system that can listen, understand, generate a response, and speak back in a realistic voice. It's commonly used for virtual assistants, customer support, and interactive applications. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Developer or Conversational AI section. This is where you can access the tools needed to build voice-based interactions. Next, create a new conversational project and configure
There are
the
usually a
basic
couple
settings.
ways to
Give your AI a
मेरे पास
name
अभी भी एक
and
option
decide what role or
आज
purpose it will
15
have, such as answering questions, providing information, or assisting users. Now, connect your AI model or application logic.
Are you
This
ready
is
to
what generates the
revolutionize your
responses,
mornings?
while
Wake up
ElevenLabs
to the
handles
aroma
converting
brew
those
coffee.
responses into natural-sounding speech. After that, choose the voice you want your conversational AI
Sip
to
by sip.
use. You can select a built-in voice or use a custom voice that matches your brand or project. Once everything is configured, test the conversation by sending a few sample messages. Listen carefully to how the AI responds and how the voice sounds. If the conversation feels unnatural, refine the instructions, adjust the response flow, or experiment with different voices until you're happy with the experience. As you continue building, you can add features like conversation memory, custom workflows, or integrations with your own app to make the AI even more useful. Before launching your project, run several test conversations to make sure everything works smoothly and the responses are clear and consistent. And that's how you create conversational AI with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.